In this lesson, we're going to have a look at dividing decimals by whole numbers. Now, we'll start with our first example, so 24.5 divided by 5. Now, this requires no special method. We're just going to use the bus stop method like we would when we're dividing any other number. So my 5 goes on the outside, and my 24.5 goes on the inside. So 5s into 2 don't go, and we've got remainder 2. 5s into 24 go 4, remainder 4. Now here I'm going to have to do something slightly different. We then go to the decimal point, and that goes exactly above where it is inside the bus stop. We're then going to do 5s into 45. 5s into 45 go at 9 exactly. So my answer is 4.9. Well, we don't need the 0 at the front, so it's just 4.9. Let's have a look at the second one. So I've got 29.4 divided by 3. So I'm going to set this up as bus stop again. So 3 on the outside, 29.4 on the inside. 3s into 2 don't go, remainder 2. 3s into 29, well, 3 times 9 is 27, so 9 goes there, and I've got remainder 2. I can then come to the decimal point, so that goes directly above. 3s into 24, 3s into 24 are 8. So my answer here equals 9.8. Okay, and that's how we divide decimals by whole numbers.